సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Students, now we are going to discuss FAT as a voltage variable resistor. FAT used as a voltage variable resistor. VVR, this is the VVR, voltage variable resistor. Voltage variable resistor. So this is the circuit diagram of the FET. FET is the three terminal device. This is the gate, this is the drain, this is the source. So the power distribution from source to drain is in this direction. This is in the direction. This is not a direction because this is the connecting of resistance. So this is the direction of the source to drain. So this is the battery of the drain current. This is the resistance. This is the voltage between a drain and source. This is the voltage between gate and source. This is the battery of the gate current. This is the resistance. So in most applications, already we know that applications are this is used in current source, this is used in first of all, generally already we know that this is used in current sources, this is used in voltage controlled resistance device, this is used in buffer voltage amplifiers, this is used in analog digital switches, this is used in high resistance amplifiers. These are applications. In most applications of field effect transistor, the device is operated in the constant current portion of its output characteristics. What are the output characteristics? Output characteristics means drain characteristics. Output characteristics means drain characteristics. So but sometimes because in the drain characteristics or output characteristics, some regions, first region is the ohmic region, first region is the ohmic region, second region is the saturation region, third region is the pinched off region, fourth region is the breakdown region. First is the ohmic region, this is the ohmic region, this is the saturation region, after that pinched up region, after that breakdown region. So in the after ohmic region, before pinch off region, the region is used as voltage variable resistor. What is the condition? After the ohmic region, before the pinched off region. What is that condition? That condition is the after ohmic region, before pinched off region. What is the condition? That condition in the region before pinch off, VDS, voltage between drain and source, is increased from 0. That condition is the after ohmic region, before pinch off region. So that condition is the VDS is increase from 0 to increasing. So VDS is increase from 0, then drain current is also increases. So because voltage is directly proportional to current, voltage is directly proportional to current, VDS is directly proportional to ID. So if VDS is increased from 0, drain current is increases. This region, in this region, VGS is 0. VGS is 0. So VGS means the voltage between gate and source. So this voltage is 0. This voltage is 0. Then VDS is equals to pinched off voltage. So we can observe in the graph of the characteristics. So if VGS is 0, there is no VGS. So VDS is equals to VP, that means pinched off voltage, because this is the graph, this is the VP. So this voltage is equals to VDS. So that is the ohmic region, that is the ohmic region after so first of all VDS is increased from 0. After ohmic region, VDS is small. After ohmic region, VDS is smaller. In this region, FAT is called as voltage variable resistor. Voltage variable resistor. Okay. Thus the way field effect transistor acts as variable passive resistor. Variable passive resistor. So it is used as vary the voltage gain. Voltage gain you observed in voltage gain is voltmeter. Voltage gain in voltmeter. Power changes in ammeter. So totally this action is called as automatic gain control. Automatic gain control. So this term is the AGC, automatic gain control. So this device used in amplifier. This is this device used in amplifier. So finally, so this is the resistance of drain connected. This is the resistance of drain connected. So that so resistor, voltage variable resistor, the value of voltage variable resistor is find from this equation. Drain resistance equals to R0 upon 1 minus K VGS. Because this is the voltage control device. This voltage control device depended upon the voltage between gate and source. Then the power is changes the drain current. So in this circuit, this is the resistance of connected to drain. So the drain resistance is equals to R0 upon 1 minus K VGS. So where here RD is the drain resistance, R0 is the drain resistance at 0 gate bias. Here K is constant. Here VGS is voltage between gate and source. Thus the way FAT or JFET is used as voltage variable resistor.